Let's go. Amazon affiliate marketing in a nutshell. One of the best strategies, but no one has ever told you this strategy before because I don't think anyone has used it. Maybe they did, but not a lot of people. So this is gonna be a brand new strategy on YouTube. So make sure to stick till the end. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a product and you're gonna promote it, of course, like it's affiliate marketing. You should know what affiliate marketing is because it's one of the best ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing is just beautiful. You're gonna make a lot of money. Now, first off, of course, you're gonna have to go to Amazon affiliate Amazon.com. But just let me introduce myself to you. So I'm a brand new channel, of course. As you can see, I have 10 subs. So I would appreciate it a lot if you can subscribe. I got 10 subs. I'm really glad I did. Finally, like it hasn't got me a lot of time. Like look at this. It's been a month, but I really haven't been uploading that much. I'm gonna start uploading I'm gonna try to upload every day from now on. But we're gonna see, and I will have brand new strategies every day. Like, look at this. You're gonna start making money today, and you can watch all of my videos, and they will help you a lot because I made them to help you. It's actually really good, considering you don't really have to do a lot of work. Not actually no work at all. You're just gonna do the step-by-step guide and you're just gonna start making money. So I actually made this video before, but I deleted it because it was not that good. I gotta admit, I didn't really explain it that much. Yeah, now I'm gonna explain. But first, you're gonna have to stick till the end because I'm gonna have a bonus strategy or a bonus website that's gonna help you a lot with this. And yeah, let's just get straight to the point. Of course, as I told you, you're gonna have to go to Amazon.com. You're actually gonna sell electronics because look, now let me show you something. Where's the laptops and stuff? You wanna sell something that's high in value, you know, a big price because it's gonna make you more money. You know what I mean? Like, if you wanna sell something cheaper, but Amazon does not really pay you that much. So if you sell something a lot big, you can start making ClickBank affiliate, but it's not gonna work that well on ClickBank affiliate. So you're gonna have to start on Amazon affiliate. Then we're gonna see. I'm gonna make a video on ClickBank affiliate marketing too. So yeah, make sure you stick to my channel because we're gonna start making money together. Well, you're gonna start making money with me. Let's see now. Laptops. So you're gonna go for a laptop. This is $655, and I think Amazon pays you like 5% of that. So yeah, make sure to go to the bottom of this and see where become an affiliate. You're gonna have to become an affiliate. You're gonna sign up, join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associates program. Recommended. Share millions of products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for large publisher individuals, bloggers, and social media influencers. Look, I'm gonna show you how to do this free with no investments. You really don't need to have anything. You're just gonna need to have a PayPal or a bank account so you can take the money. You know what I mean? I don't know if they have checks. You can take it with checks too. You can take your money with checks. So you're gonna earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Or competitive conversions. Oh my god, rates help maximize earnings. So yeah, you're gonna earn up to 10% of the product that you sell. So let me see. You're not really gonna do anything big. You're just gonna promote it to some people, and if they buy it, you're gonna earn money. So you're gonna be promoting it to tens of thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people. I mean, it's gonna be lit. Now, of course, go and sign up. You sign up. You do all the things that well, you're gonna have to create an Amazon account if you don't have one. Then you're gonna do everything that Amazon asks you to do, and yeah, that's all. So after you sign up, after you signed up, now you're gonna get to this page, okay? This is gonna be your page. You're gonna see how many clicks you got, how many money you got, and everything else. Now, look, I told you what you're gonna look for. You're gonna look for a laptop. Now, you're just gonna go laptop. 300, okay, 1000. Let me just go to this page. Now, you can see this get link, you know? But first, look at the laptop. Now, I'm gonna tell you what to do everything. You're gonna go to this text. You're not gonna need image, you're gonna need a text. Now, you're gonna get the link. You're just gonna copy this. Yeah, after you copy it, that's all you need to do actually. You're not gonna need to do anything else. You copy this. You see this? This is gonna blow up. This will blow up. So yeah, you can sell any other things. Don't get me wrong. You can do anything you want. I'm just telling you how to do it. Now you can go for beauty and health and fitness stuff. You know, that's a big niche. I'm telling you, that's gonna blow up too. But yeah, I'm just gonna hopefully help you do this. Well, hopefully. Well, you're gonna start making money. Let me just go where you need to go. Let me tell you where you're gonna go. So you're gonna go to Facebook. Of course, Facebook is always the best for marketing and stuff. Okay, you can make an ad, but you really don't need to. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna post on Facebook. That's all you're really gonna do, nothing else. Our group was taken down by Facebook. We already had 67,000 members. We'll start again. How much members does this group have? 26k. Okay, so look, this is gonna show on 26,000 people. Now, someone has to buy this. Or look, you're gonna, if you actually like love pets and dogs and you get baited, you buy stuff, you know, you can actually look for these kind of stuff on Amazon. And yeah, oh my god, you know, you're gonna put a title, or you can just do this. Look, now this is how I do it. You do this, boom, and you go here. You're gonna take its name, Acer, boom. You're gonna copy paste this. You're gonna copy and paste that, and you're gonna just copy and paste this. Yeah, that's all. You can do one more thing. You can take this about this item, but you don't really need it. All you're gonna need is this, and you're gonna post it. Every time someone clicks and buys this, you're gonna earn money. So yeah, make sure to go on a lot more groups. Don't worry, if you get banned, doesn't matter. You can put another Facebook account. It doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna go into another website. That website is gonna help you a lot. Now you're gonna go to admifest.com. Now what this Admifest will do, you will actually like we have more than 6.3 million active users from more than 211 countries. We have user-friendly interface, we have fast support, we have several secure payment methods. You can pay for points, but you're not gonna really need to. What you're gonna do here is just you're gonna follow or like someone's page, or you're gonna watch YouTube videos or anything, and you're gonna earn points. You can convert those points into making other people share your link on Facebook. Imagine that. You're just gonna put your link, your affiliate link, and you're just gonna share it with a lot of other people. That's such a free ad. Imagine 1,000 people just sharing your laptop or your beauty something product. They're just gonna start making you money. I don't care what you think. It's gonna make money. So yeah, guys, that's actually it for this video. I really hope it did help you. If it did, make sure to leave a like. You can always subscribe. That I would appreciate it a lot. Make sure to put, if you subscribe, put notifications on so you don't really miss any videos from my channel. Cause yeah, I'm always gonna be making how to make money online videos. So yeah, guys, see ya in the next video. Goodbye.